Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today in this video I'm going to introduce you guys pumpkin pistachio energy balls. These Nobake pumpkin pistachio energy balls, they are very easy to make and yummy. You must try this recipe. Let's see the ingredients we need for this recipe. We are using 1 cup of pistachios, half cup of cashews, quarter cup pumpkin seeds, half cup almonds, and we are using here 20 dates, bitter dates. You can use, I'm here using the medjool dates. And we need pumpkin spice, half teaspoon. And I'm using the canned pumpkin puree, which is a half cup I'm going to use. And I need a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and we can use a pinch of salt also. First we are going to crush those, you can use a food processor and crush those almonds and cashews and pistachio and then keep it aside. The cashews, actually the pistachios, you need half of the pistachio you're going to coarse ground, and the rest of the half you're going to make it like a coarse coarse sand, so that you know that is for later purpose. Add dates and pumpkin seeds to the food processor and process it. Heat a frying pan. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add crushed almonds, crushed cashews, and crushed pistachio, half of the pistachio which we crushed it. Saute well for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then you can add the spices, which is pumpkin spice half teaspoon and half teaspoons of cinnamon powder, and mix it well. At this point you can add the pumpkin puree, which is half cup, and make sure to mix it well with the nuts. Mix it well until everything combined together, and saute for like 3 minutes. Now you can add the ground dates mix to it and mix it properly. Make sure to mix everything properly so that all the dates and all the pumpkin puree and the nuts got mixed well. Once everything mixed properly, you can turn off the heat and let it cool for like 10 minutes. At this stage, you can handle with your hand and you can start making small size balls, and once you form a ball, you can roll these balls in the pistachio. We made the half of the pistachio, we made it like a sand, coarse sand, right? So we can roll it in that and keep it aside. I made all the pumpkin pistachio balls ready now. This one actually you can serve it immediately, or you can keep it in the fridge for some time. This is a very good snack dessert. You must try this at home. I'm sure everybody in the family is going to love this. This is a sugar-free recipe, very healthy. You must try this at home, and please let me know your feedback. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye, take care.